Canceling dispute-based subscription. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to cancel dispute-based subscription. So let's get started. First, visit the dispute-based login page and sign in with your email and password. After logging in, click the profile icon at the top right and choose My Account. Then scroll to the payment information area. If needed, update billing details by selecting Add New Primary Payment option, entering the new information and save it. To cancel your membership, look for the chat support icon on the website after logging in. You can request cancellation directly from a support representative or send an email to their support team requesting cancellation. You have to include your full name, email link to the account, and last 4 digits of the card on file for verification. After cancellation is processed, you will receive a confirmation email. Keep it for your records in case of billing issues later. And that's how you will be able to cancel your dispute-based subscription.